Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in the previous video where I had taken you to Lingamala waterfall, the short waterfall or the mini waterfall. So as promised, so in this video I'm going to take you to the main waterfall. So from that board I've taken right, and it is around 750 meters away from that spot which you have seen in the first video of mine. So along the way you get to enjoy this view of Vena Valley. So let's go, and I'll show you the Lingamala main waterfall in a while. You will have to walk a little bit, and the path is quite nice for trekking, and you get to enjoy this view. So this is the first glimpse of the main waterfall. Wait for the last spot where we get to see the entire view of this waterfall and the valley. Till then you get to enjoy the different shades of green and blue along the way. During this trekking, I found this spot and I could see rainbow right in front of the waterfall. I was so happy to spot the rainbow. So this waterfall is formed by the river Vena, and the valley's name is also Vena, and this waterfall is approximately 500 meters in height, and it falls in 3 different stages. So look at the view. Ide Swarga. Since this is rainy season, you can find a lot of waterfall on these mountains. As you can see on your right, there are a good number of waterfalls over there. So how many did you spot? Let me know in the comment section. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you are a nature lover, you have definitely enjoyed it. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.